Alright, got a new acquisition. It's a Parkzone T-28. Got Jim out here to help pick up the pieces. And I got this from a fella on Craigslist. He had this one and a P-40 from Durafly. He wanted $50 each for them, and that was with a receiver in both and 4 batteries, 4 4S batteries for the P-40. This one's flying on a Gens Ace 2200 3-cell. Had a little concern with those landing gears being kind of spindly. Jim thinks they'll be all right. Oh yeah.
See? It does everything. May not great, but it does everything. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm gonna come over here east-west because that sun is kind of brutal. All the planes I've got, Jim, this is the first T-28 I've ever flown.
Yeah.
Everybody says how great they are.
Well, the bigger one's updated, probably fly better than this one. But there's nothing wrong with it.
No, it's for a nice little park flyer. This is okay. I still think though, since it has fixed gears, I may just yank them off and make this a hand launcher.
I remember that. And that red Cub, I used to hand launch it a lot.
Still going. Right there, she's running out.
Yeah. If you put a 4-cell in there and a different speed controller, it's like a rocket.
You think that little airframe would handle it?
Oh yeah.
So I noticed the wing on it looked
probably
pretty.
1,000 pages of RC groups you can read on that plane.
Really?
Oh yeah. That thing was made. They put that out in like 07, 06. It's been around a long time. There may be 2 or 3 with sites on RC groups. So what do you think? For $50?
Yeah, for $50, man, you can't go wrong.
See?
There's our gear up pass. Yeah, for a park flyer, man, it's not bad, but it feels just a slight underpowered to me.
Yeah, yours does look like it might be. It looks like my lift wing when I landed. You know, I told you no power. It seemed like. I didn't check the battery yet.
See, here's full speed right there.
Yeah.
I was trying to get it a little lower and almost came too low.
Yeah.
I mean, it's okay for a park flyer. Don't get me wrong. It's not.
I guarantee you, take it to the sale, you can probably make a few bucks off of it.
Oh, I think I'll just keep it. It's
yeah.
What I like when you do stumble across a really good deal on one. If you have a mishap or twirl it in, you don't get upset over it.
Yeah.
I mean, high rates on the rudder and the elevator, and only on mid rates on the aileron. So let's go into high rate on the aileron and see what she can do.
Not bad, not bad. I don't remember about the rolls on my plane. It's been too long since I've had it.
Right?
I had the gray version, not the white one.
Oh yeah, I've seen the grays. The same plane though, right?
Same plane, except for the paint, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You want to fly it?
No.
It might bring back memories, man.
Yeah, I crashed it about a half dozen.
Well, this is.
I really did.
If you're gonna crash one, a $50 plane's the one to crash.
I know on one of the rebuilds, I didn't catch the motor being bad, and that put me way over half the price of a new airplane.
Oh yeah?
And I was really upset. Because I'd have bought a new one. It was over half, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah, I learned my lesson with that.
And yeah, I think it was about half without the motor. So you can imagine what a $50 motor did.
Right.
It took me within about 25, 30 bucks of buying the airplane, you know, and but that was a new fuselage and wing. I mean, I spent some bucks on it, but I'd much rather had a new airplane.
Looks like I got a fire going off in the distance there.
Yeah, they do. So you got your money's worth, right?
Oh yeah, definitely a pleased camper.
Right. What do you think about the wind in that?
Yeah, it's not as bad as I thought. I really thought those landing gears would be too spindly. But it actually did good. Now, this is super light plane. I don't know how it'd do in the wind, but on a calm day like today, man, it's beautiful. All right, Parkzone T-28, $50 bargain. I did, by the way, I didn't have any more cash on me, but I did give the guy $130 for the pair instead of $100 for the pair, just because I felt bad that he's selling it too cheap. He was moving, wanted to just get rid of them. All right, thanks for watching.